As a unit manager, developing your leadership style is an ongoing process that requires self-awareness, practice, and continuous improvement. Here are self-administered activities to help you refine and develop your leadership style. 1. Conduct a self-assessment. Reflect on your current leadership strengths and areas for improvement. Use tools like a leadership self-assessment or ask for feedback from your team and peers. Ask yourself, what do I excel at as a leader? Where do I struggle in my leadership role? How do I handle stress, decision-making, and conflict? Your goal is to establish a baseline for your leadership skills and identify areas for improvement. 2. Create a personal leadership development plan. Based on your self-assessment, create a leadership development plan that includes clear goals, timelines, and actions for improving specific leadership skills. For example, improve communication skills like active listening and clarity in messaging. Enhance decision-making under pressure. Increase team motivation and engagement. Your goal is to develop a roadmap for targeted growth and track your progress. 3. Practice active listening. Actively listen during meetings or one-on-one interactions with your team. Focus on understanding concerns, opinions, and needs without interrupting or formulating a response. Ask yourself, how did it feel to listen fully without interruption? Did I fully understand the message? How can I apply this in future conversations? Your goal is to improve communication and show empathy, leading to stronger relationships. 4. Seek feedback regularly. Regularly ask for feedback from your team, peers, and even superiors. This could be informal, through casual conversations, or formal, through structured surveys. You might say, I'd love to hear how I can improve as your manager. Is there something I can do differently to support you? Your goal is to gain insights into how others perceive your leadership and where improvements are needed. 5. Embrace mentorship. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and advice, and become a mentor to a junior team member to develop your coaching and leadership skills. Ask yourself, what insights am I gaining from my mentor? How can I apply their advice to my leadership style? What am I learning from mentoring others? Your goal is to enhance your leadership abilities by learning from others and sharing your knowledge. 6. Engage in leadership reading and learning. Dedicate time to reading leadership books, articles, or listening to podcasts. Focus on emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, and team building. For example, Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek, Dare to Lead by Brené Brown, The 5 Levels of Leadership by John C. Maxwell. Your goal is to expand your leadership knowledge and apply new concepts. 7. Set weekly reflection sessions. Set aside time each week to reflect on your leadership experiences. Consider how you handled challenges, what went well, and what could be improved. Ask yourself, what leadership actions or decisions made the most impact this week? Were there moments when I could have acted differently? How can I apply these learnings next week? Your goal is to build self-awareness and make incremental improvements. 8. Practice delegation and trust building. Delegate tasks to your team. Let go of the urge to micromanage and trust team members to handle responsibilities. Ask yourself, how did I feel when delegating tasks? Did I provide clear expectations and support, or was I too involved? How can I empower my team more effectively? Your goal is to build trust while fostering growth and development. 9. Develop emotional intelligence. Improve your emotional intelligence by recognizing and managing your emotions and empathizing with others. Check in with yourself daily on your emotional state and how it impacts your interactions. Practice empathy by actively trying to understand others' perspectives. Your goal is to improve relationships, communication, and conflict resolution through emotional awareness. 10. Create and practice vision setting. Define a clear vision for your team and practice communicating it effectively. Make sure your vision aligns with organizational goals and team values. Ask yourself, how well am I articulating the vision? Is the team inspired and aligned? How can I encourage more buy-in? Your goal is to strengthen your ability to inspire and guide your team. 11. Work on conflict management skills. Practice resolving conflicts in a fair and composed manner. Engage in conflict management training or role-play scenarios with colleagues. Ask yourself, how effectively did I resolve conflicts? Did I remain neutral and listen to all sides? How can I improve my approach next time? Your goal is to become more adept at managing and resolving conflicts. 12. Develop team building strategies. Plan and lead team building activities to enhance collaboration and communication. Experiment with different activities to find what resonates with your team. Ask yourself, how did the team respond?
Did it improve communication or collaboration? What can I do next time? Your goal is to strengthen the bond within your team, promoting collaboration, trust, and performance. 13. Track your progress. Keep a leadership journal when you track your growth, reflect on challenges, and document your progress. For example, this week I learned to handle a difficult conversation more calmly. I will continue practicing this approach in future conflicts. Your goal is to stay committed to your development and celebrate milestones as you evolve into a more effective leader. By consistently engaging in these